Today's video is a easy mini chocolate cheesecakes recipe. This is a no bake recipe which is eggless without any gelatin, agar agar and super easy to make. So let's begin. I have used 2 packets of Oreo biscuits. You can use any chocolate biscuits of your choice. Precisely 10 biscuits in each pack, so I've taken 20 biscuits. If you're watching my video for the first time, then be sure to subscribe to this channel for weekly videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Break the Oreos into small pieces. There is no need to separate cream from the biscuits. If you're not a fan of using biscuits as a base, I have already made a video using oats. I will link it in the card above or description below. Now add these biscuits into a jar and grind them into fine powder. If you're using a regular mixer, then pulse them for about 15 to 30 seconds and the biscuits will be powdered. Now transfer this mixture into a bowl. 4 to 5 tablespoons melted butter. Add little at a time so that you will not have excess butter added to the mixture. Mix them well together until it forms a coarse sandy texture. The mixture should not be too tight or too crumbly. If you think you need some extra butter, you can add them at this stage. I have greased the muffin tins using cupcake liners. If you do not have muffin tins, then you can make this in a springform pan. Add a spoonful of prepared mixture and pack them evenly at the bottom. Be sure you give time to this step as this will form the base of the cake. Pop this in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's begin with the filling. For that, take 100 grams cream cheese. The cream cheese should be softened and at room temperature. Whisk the cream cheese mixture for a minute or 2 in medium speed so that it can easily be incorporated without any lumps. To this, add 100 ml of chilled whipping cream. Be sure that the whipping cream should be cold to get whipped to the correct consistency. I am using a non-dairy whipping cream which already has sugar in it, so I am not going to add extra sugar, but in case if you are using dairy whipping cream, you can add extra sugar. Use powdered sugar. Now add 100 grams of melted dark chocolate. Continue to whip the batter until the chocolate is well incorporated and it forms stiff peaks. This might take about 7 to 8 minutes. Now, using an ice cream scoop, transfer the prepared cream cheese filling. I am using ice cream scoops so that there will be even distribution of the filling in all the cakes. If you don't have an ice cream scoop, you can just directly fill them using a spoon. If you're enjoying this video, then be sure to like and subscribe. Now even out the top using a spoon. Tap to remove any excess air bubbles and freeze them for about 2 hours. You can just directly dig in right now, but it will be good when freezed. After 2 hours, your delicious cheesecakes are ready to be served, but be sure you remove them from the fridge only when it is ready to be served, otherwise your whipped creams might start melting. The freezed cheesecakes will easily come out of the wrappers and there will be no struggle. Level the top just to even out the shape. You can top them with some grated chocolate, chocolate syrup or chocolate ganache to increase the chocolate flavor in the cheesecake. If you want to learn more such easy recipes, then be sure to click on the card above or will display on the end screen. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did so, you know the drill. Be sure to like, share, subscribe and comment your suggestions or requests in the comment section down below. I hope to see you in my next video. Be happy, stay positive and keep baking. Bye guys.